Bitcoin's record high, is it time to jump in? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got one of the hottest topics in finance on the table, Bitcoin. It's not just hitting new highs, it's shattering them. And everyone, from seasoned traders to your neighbor who just heard about it, is asking the same question: is now finally the time to invest? We're going to dive deep into what's driving this incredible surge, the massive influence of incoming US regulations. Yes, we're talking about the Trump factor. And most importantly, how you can intelligently approach this opportunity. So, if you're looking to understand Bitcoin beyond the headlines, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. The record-breaking surge. What's happening? First off, let's just acknowledge the elephant in the room. Bitcoin has absolutely exploded. We've seen it not just cross its previous all-time highs, but firmly establish new territory. This isn't just a small bump, it's a significant, sustained move that has everyone talking. For those of you who've been watching crypto for a while, you know the volatility. But this time, it feels different. There's a palpable sense of excitement, a renewed belief in the asset, and a lot of new money flowing in. But what's really fueling this fire? Is it just hype, or are there fundamental shifts happening that are giving Bitcoin this incredible boost? The Trump factor and regulatory tailwinds. And this brings us to one of the biggest drivers right now, the political landscape in the United States, specifically under President-elect Donald Trump. Now, I know politics can be divisive, but when it comes to crypto, his stance has been surprisingly clear and, dare I say, bullish. Crypto capital of the planet? President-elect Trump has openly stated his intention to make the US the crypto capital of the planet. Think about that for a second. This isn't just rhetoric, we're seeing actions that back this up. Friendly regulators, easing restrictions, US digital asset stockpile. His administration has been moving to appoint more crypto-friendly regulators, easing some of the previous restrictions that stifled innovation, and even establishing a US digital asset stockpile. These are huge shifts from previous administrations, which often viewed crypto with skepticism or outright hostility. We're also seeing legislative action, like the Genius Act, which aims to establish a clear framework for stablecoins. This isn't just about making things easier for crypto businesses. It's about providing the clarity and legitimacy that institutional investors and corporations have been waiting for. This clear regulatory path is significantly boosting investor confidence. It's opening the floodgates for institutional capital, corporate treasuries looking to diversify, and even sovereign wealth funds. When you have this kind of governmental backing and regulatory clarity, it legitimizes the entire asset class. Weighing your options, risks and rewards. Alright, so with all this exciting news, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But as a potential investor, you absolutely must weigh your options carefully. While the potential for significant returns is enticing, let's not forget that Bitcoin, like all cryptocurrencies, comes with its own set of risks. High volatility, price swings, market corrections. Historically, Bitcoin has been known for its extreme volatility. We've seen massive pumps followed by sharp corrections. While the current momentum is strong, past performance is never a guarantee of future results. It's crucial to understand that you could see substantial gains, but you could also lose a significant portion of your investment. People discussing on a tablet. So, how do you navigate this? Do your research. This isn't just a buzzword, it's your most powerful tool. Understand market trends, delve into the technology behind Bitcoin, and critically assess its place in your overall financial portfolio. Do your research. Don't let the fear of missing out, or FOMO, drive your decisions. Make informed choices that align with your personal investment goals and, crucially, your risk tolerance. What's right for one person might be entirely wrong for another. I highly recommend joining reputable crypto communities online. Engage in discussions, read different perspectives, and absorb as much knowledge as you can. Learning from others' experiences, both good and bad, can be incredibly valuable. So, the million-dollar question, is now the time to invest in Bitcoin? The answer, as frustrating as it might be, is that it depends entirely on you. What we can say with certainty is that the landscape for Bitcoin has never looked more promising, especially with the clear regulatory tailwinds emerging from the US. This isn't just another speculative bubble, there are fundamental shifts legitimizing this asset class. Check mark and X mark over hypothetical investment scenarios. But even with all this positive news, it's still an investment that requires careful consideration. Are you prepared for potential dips? Does Bitcoin fit into your long-term financial strategy? These are the questions you need to ask yourself. My advice? Don't just watch from the sidelines hoping for the best. Get informed. Start your research today. Read articles, watch more videos like this one, listen to podcasts. Understand the technology, the market dynamics, and most importantly, understand your own financial situation. Bitcoin's current surge is a fascinating moment in financial history. It's a blend of innovation, market enthusiasm, and unprecedented regulatory support. Whether you decide to invest or not, staying informed is key. Reminders to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on Bitcoin right now? Are you buying, selling, or holding? I read every comment, and your insights help us all grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.